Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to get a perfect pour with TotalBoat Tabletop Epoxy.
TotalBoat Tabletop is the perfect solution for any tabletop, whether you're pouring on a bar top, a countertop, or even your dining room table. I'm Carlina.
And I'm Patrick.
And we're owner and operators of Barren Pallet Works.
And we are currently inside our TotalBoat finishing room that is within our shop.
So yesterday I created this black walnut coffee table, and today we are going to finish it with some TotalBoat Tabletop. Let's jump right in.
The materials you'll need are a heat source, a mixing bucket, a mixing stick, spreader, surface covering, and rubber gloves.
To prep, make sure you're in a dust-free space that is well ventilated and temperature controlled, like our pour room. Also, make sure you have a level working surface.
As an added tip, taping the bottom of your surface is a great way to get rid of excess dripping after the epoxy is cured. When you peel the tape off, the drips come with it.
Tabletop is a 1-to-1 ratio. Mix part A to part B until the mixtures have turned from cloudy to clear.
Then we pour. Although the epoxy is self-leveling, we'll want to get a nice, even distribution across the surface.
To get the most coverage, make sure your epoxy runs over all edges and sides.
Use your heat source, like a torch or a heat gun, to remove any excess bubbles. Now we'll let it cure in our finishing room. Cure time can take around 5 to 7 days, depending on temperature and conditions.
All right, so we just finished the pour on this coffee table. We're super excited. Everything turned out super clear. It's completely level. Next up is to throw some legs on this and be ready to go.
For more videos like this, you could subscribe to TotalBoat's YouTube channel. And to keep up with what we're doing, you could follow us at Barren Pallet Works on Instagram and TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.